Good morning, everyone. We have started our February webinar series all about getting ahead of the growth opportunity in China. And I wanted to come on and just say, if you are looking to get ahead of the growth opportunity, then the one thing that's going to solve that is preparation. And you have to prepare yourself for getting ahead of this growth opportunity. You've got to make sure you've got this action plan that you're crossing off every day. And we've got this webinar series basically giving you these action plans for the critical points to support your business in China. So yesterday we were talking about how to save your brand in China, how easy it is to get the registrations done for your trademark applications. Today we're talking about the China Incorporation Blueprint. So if you've been transacting in China for 1, 2, 3, 5 years, and you're at a stage right now where you think it makes sense to have an on-the-ground company, an on-the-ground team, having headcount in that company, then you need to set up an entity to run that business. And we are going through 9 of the key decisions that have to be made in terms of structuring your business, financing your business, how you're going to hire, choose the corporate management in your business. We're going to look at location. Where in China do you want to be located? So we're going to look at 4 different key aspects and 9 overall key decisions that have to be made when you're incorporating in China. So if you have the plan in 2022 to incorporate your company, or you're starting, the balls are rolling and you're starting to think that perhaps you need to have an entity on the ground, whether it's this year or next year, come join along and listen in to these 9 key decisions that have to be made when you're incorporating your entity in China. All right. So it's the China Incorporation Blueprint, and it really is geared to those of you that are literally looking to incorporate this year to get ahead of the growth opportunity that exists in China. So come along. Again, if you're setting up in China, incorporating in China, if you're looking to actually establish your entity and hire people, then come along to this session to learn more about what key decisions you have to make. Just a disclaimer, you shouldn't be allowing your lawyers or your corporate service providers or your friends to make these decisions for you. These are business decisions that affect the long-term vision of the company you're creating. So really they should be made by you as the leaders that are in charge of the China business. So I look forward to seeing you later on today. I'm going to provide the link to the webinar. And I hope you'll be able to join live. And if not, then still register and you can watch the replay. Have a great afternoon. Take care and goodbye.